Hey, Adam here. I want to show you something. I woke up actually to this. Okay? I woke up to this email. Congratulations, Adam Shamsini. You just received $900. This $900 sale, okay, happened while I was asleep. This happened on complete autopilot while I was actually packing a day before I was packing my bag and on my way to Canada. I'm in Canada right now. I came from Dallas to Canada, okay? And this happened on complete autopilot. $900 per sale, selling a coaching program and a course that I didn't even create, okay? But the magic here is I created an automated system, a marketing system that does all the selling and telling for me while I'm actually traveling the world. I'm staying in Canada. I came here for a wedding and I'm leaving on Sunday to Europe, to Spain, to Morocco, to Istanbul, okay? This is working for me no matter what I am or what I'm doing, okay? Let me show you how this works. Here, as you can see it, $900. I'm not sure if you can see it. I'm actually in the backyard of my sister's house here. See that? Okay? This is me doing nothing. All right? Now, let me show you what happens, how this happens. Okay, the whole process, what I have built. Okay, so people come to this page. Okay, they come from a TikTok video, just short video. It takes me like 10 minutes to make. Okay, a short YouTube maybe, a short Instagram. It takes me like no more than half an hour a day, even like three times a week only. Okay, I make those short videos or like 15-minute video like on YouTube, and people end up on this page. Okay, look at this page. Okay, here's what it says. It says, discover the secret done for you digital business that has already helped thousands earn 100% profit online without tech skills, a big following, or even their own products. This exact system, okay, helped me go from a bankrupt restaurant owner to earning my first $100,000 online, allowing me to travel the world, spend more time with my family, and reclaim my freedom. Okay, that's it. This is a page. This is what it says. This is my story, okay? So people go in here, they put their name, they put their email address, and they get access to my webinar training, which is a replay, okay? You can watch it, okay? They watch the whole thing. I give them the whole system that I'm using, absolutely free. I give them this whole thing. I set up entire business and complete autopilot exactly like they clone my business, okay? They click on this button, they go to this site, and they click this button, and they pay me $900. Look at this. Look, this is me, okay? I'm showing you my whole system. Now, a lot of people come into this page. I have no idea who's coming, who's actually looking at the page, who's watching my webinar. They are getting also an automatic follow-up from me. For example, I just entered the email, right, in the page here. So what happens is after people enter their email address, look at this. Look at this. This is the email I entered. They received an email from me. Boom. It's an automated email welcoming them. Look at this. I mean, I built it. It took me like 5 weeks to build it. And now it's running like oil machine. My system follow up with these people. Some people go in and buy right away and pay me $900 per sale. Now, what's in it for you? Okay? This is the most automated system that I have ever seen since I started online since 2018 that pays you 100% in profit without you building anything. The product is done for you. The coaching program is done for you. The product, the offer is done for you. The marketing system I just showed you, I have built it also for my members, for you. You don't even have to build anything. My pages, my emails, my automated system, my complete setup, it's already done for you, making you 100% profit on a daily basis on complete autopilot. And how many sales do you need a month? You don't need much. I have made over 6 figures doing this after my bankruptcy and after actually I shut down my restaurants back in 2018 when I was in California. Now I'm flying around. Look, I'm here visiting my sister. I'm in her house. I just had a wedding yesterday. I'm flying on Sunday. This is what I do. This is freedom. It's not just about the money. Check it out. Go to freedomadam.com. Here's how you check it out. Okay, there is nothing. I'm not hiding anything. I'm showing you everything. This is my first name. Okay, freedomadam.com. And it will take you to this page. Check it out for yourself, okay? Opt in, watch my training, my webinar. It will explain everything for you from A to Z so you can get all the details. And contact me, DM me, and then I will actually reach out to you and we can jump on a Zoom call and I can set up the whole thing for you. You know, because people failing online because they don't have a system like this. People are trying to sell courses, trying to sell digital products online because they don't have a system like this. Trust me, they don't have that. They have the product, but they don't have a marketing system that does all the telling and selling and earning 100% profit. Are you kidding me? Go to freedomadam.com and check it out for yourself. And contact me, and I will be on a Zoom with you explaining everything, and I will set up the whole thing for you, including done for you bonuses too. The whole system, plug and play, and start traveling this summer. I'm out. Take care for now.